Hi, I'm Rob. This is how to install a pull-out pantry basket system to maximise your storage. Let's get into it. Start by popping your door off and taking out your shelves. Then mark and pre-drill 4 holes in the top panel of your pantry using a 2mm drill bit. Then repeat the same process for the bottom panel following the directions of your kit. Next, we're going to attach the L irons to the runners. To do this, remove the 2 flathead screws from each bracket. Slide the runners forward and back to access the screw holes. Then screw through the runners into the brackets. Once that's done, remove 2 screws from the back of the frame, insert the L bracket and fix it loosely in place using the same screws. Now it's time to attach the runners to the base of the cabinet. Line them up with the pre-drilled holes and fix them in place with 4 wood screws. Then add 8 more screws, spacing them evenly and making sure the layout is mirrored on both sides. At the top, align the U-iron with the holes and screw into place. Then go back to the L bracket at the rear of the frame. Loosen the screws, adjust it so the casters slot into the U-iron completely, then tighten the screws again. Next, slide the protective covers over the runners. Grab your door and lay it flat on a clean surface. Draw 2 vertical lines on the back of it, one about 80mm from the edge and another 315mm further across. Measure up from the bottom and mark your drill points at 110mm and 166mm. Drill shallow holes, then align your door rack panels and screw them into place. Reattach the door, then fix the connecting strips. One end goes to the frame, the other to the top of the door rack. Now, add the wire baskets. Insert the pegs evenly into the holes and push them down gently to lock them in. Small baskets go on the door rack, large baskets on the front. Make sure everything is secure and level before loading up. And remember, don't overload them. And that's it. You've successfully installed your pantry pull-out basket system. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.